We're gonna make some candy bar poke cake today. Start with your cake mix. Just make as directed.
Just give it a little dumpy in there.
Yeah, make it. Oh, there we go. It's all empty. And we got 1 1/4 cups of water. Half a cup vegetable oil.
Oh.
And then you want to put 3 eggs in there.
Or what they call here in our house, the booty nuggets.
And we call them also country eggs.
Country eggs, booty hole nuggets, whatever we want.
Because they came out of some country chickens. Right from your sister, right?
My sister's house.
Alrighty. So then you just want to mix that all up. Just kind of beat it in there.
It's looking nice and milky.
Alright, so it looks about ready to go in our cake pan. We got a 13 by 9 cake pan there. You just pour it straight in that bad boy.
Holy moly, it looks like some good milky goodness.
Oh, we're just getting started. So now that we got it all poured in there, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350
For about...
for about 25 minutes. Straight in there. Ooh,
Oh,
got color on there.
oops.
Let's take a look.
Oh my gosh. It's perfectly
Perfect
chocolate.
cake.
Perfectly amazing. Perfectly beautiful. Cover.
Just perfect in every way. All right. So we got the cake. Now the fun begins. You want to take a wooden spoon, do a little poke cake. You want some nice big holes for the milk to go into. Just all over.
So the bigger the hole, the easier the milk to go into?
Exactly. So get a wooden spoon or rod that is, really going to make a good hole in there for your sweetened condensed milk. Thicky icky.
In my profession, we call that sticky milk.
What profession is that?
Cooking.
Oh yeah. Mine too. Whoa. I'm missing the holes here. It's like a ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a milk ribbon. Do you think I need to put holes anywhere else?
No, I think it's great.
And just kind of rub it on in there. This is gonna make your cake so moist and yummy.
Mm-hmm. Just how Kim likes it.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna take the chocolate syrup
Mm.
and pour it into the holes as well. Don't have to do as much, just a little, giving a little chocolate touch to each hole. So we got more to come. All right, so we're gonna let this cool off and come back.
All right, now we're gonna make our topping.
Yep, gotta crush up some Butterfingers.
Ooh, bangalangas.
Love the fingers. So we're just gonna
Wow.
crunch these up in a little.
All right, so you got those banged out.
Got them pretty banged out, and then we just gotta wait for the cake to finish. And we're gonna put it over there.
Ooh, yum.
All right, so we're gonna take our crushed up Butterfinger, just kind of sprinkle it over. I only want to use about half of it.
Mm-hmm. Are you meaning to make it patchy?
No, I was gonna spread it out
Okay.
after. I just can't perfectly
Got it.
spread it out like some people.
Yep.
I'm a little bit of a klutz in the kitchen.
It's okay. No big deal. That
But I make up for it with determination and sheer will.
Yeah, it looks really good.
So yeah. So you just kind of dust it on there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's the first layer. Then we're gonna take some homemade whipped topping
Oh,
and just put it over the top there.
it's really creamy and nice.
Super creamy.
I really like that. Mm. And you're just spreading it out evenly now?
Mm-hmm. Just spreading it out over it. This is gonna be a nice sweet cake.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got our layer of whipped topping, and then we're gonna put our second dusting. Let me just second dusting over the top. Calling this Butterfinger cake.
Wow. All right, let's see it.
All right, let's take a little bite ski. Mmm. I don't know why I will. Oh, that's good.
Got a butter golden cake mix. Dump it in your bowl. Oh, it came out without the bag. Good.
Nice.
And I've got 1 stick of melted butter. And 1 egg.
Nice.
Okay, you take and mix this up. Now this mixture will be thick. Making an ooey gooey butter cake.
Looking good.
Okay, now see how thick it is? Almost looks like peanut butter fudge.
Oh, man.
Okay, we got a greased 9x13 pan that we're gonna dump this in. And it's so thick, it's a little bit harder to,
Oh,
this pan is a little
Be out there.
flimsy. Let me get my spatula.
it's looking pretty good.
Okay, now we are going to do our second step. Just set that to the side. And we are going to take an 8 ounce of softened cream cheese with 2 eggs,
Country eggs, straight from Kentucky.
We are blessed with a sister that loves her chickens. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up first, and then we're gonna add our powdered sugar.
Okay. Looking pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna cut this off for a minute, and we're gonna add in 16 ounces of confectionate sugar, which we used part of the bag yesterday, and we'll use the rest of it today. We'll do half at a time, so we don't have a cloud of white smoke. Once you've got it all mixed up, you've got it all over yourself too. We'll take our spatula. We'll take it and do this a little bit and get any fine powder that I had on the bottom.
Just get it mixed in there.
Yeah. Just make sure, sometimes you'll have a little bit on the bottom. Now you're gonna take this and put it over your base.
All right. Ooh, now it's starting to come together.
And now you see why it's gonna be ooey gooey.
Now the name makes total sense. Who makes your favorite ooey gooey cake that you've had? You like the Paula Deen recipe?
Oh yes, Paula Deen's recipes are all good. Paula Deen has some good recipe. That don't slap your mama or slap your mama's banana pudding. If you like a cold banana pudding, it's good.
Mm.
Okay. Now, here we go. Let's see how our ooey gooey cake turns out.
350, 35 minutes. Take a look. Ooh.
That looks good.
Ooey gooey.
Looks like a ooey gooey cake. Now this will have to probably cool before you cut into that.
All right, let it cool for a minute. Can't wait to sink my teeth into this. Mess it up, but let's give it a try. It's probably still a little hot. Mmm. Hot.
And
Gooey.
And we've got some crushed pineapple. We're gonna put in the bottom of our 9x13 pan. And we're gonna try adding some cranberry sauce. I've chopped it up. Dump that off in there. And we'll take a spatula and kind of mix it together. And just layer it out on the bottom of the pan.
Love the colors.
Yes. Be a good little Christmas cake. Okay, now you're gonna take a box of whatever flavor, we got yellow cake mix. And we're going to spread it over the fruit. Okay, now just spread it out. Kind of pat it down just a little bit. And then you're gonna take 1.5 sticks of butter. You're gonna lay your butter all over your top of your cake mix.
Just got a bunch of slices.
Yes.
You prefer real butter, right?
I do, yes.
I mean, who doesn't?
Yeah. Nothing like some good old butter. Make it good and toasty and brown and taste delicious. It should look delicious.
Do you have a favorite kind of butter?
I like Land O'Lakes myself.
Oh, they make good stuff.
And now we're gonna top it with some Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Gotta have it. Oh, that's so good. What is that called? Cinnadust?
Yes, Cinnadust.
That is
Cinnamon
awesome.
Toast Crunch. Now we're going to bake it at 350 for 45 minutes. I'm looking behind me.
Watch out, Braylee. All right, let's give it a look. Oh my
Look at
goodness.
that cranberry popping through. This would have been a good Thanksgiving.
You are
That'd
right
be
about
good
that.
Good Christmas as well.
Just bubbling. Look at all the like marks where the butter was too. That's cool.
That is neat. Now we're gonna serve it with some homemade whipped topping.
You put a little homemade whipped topping on this little part right here.
Wow.
A little cinnamon dust. Let's give it a little bite ski. Oh, that smells good. Dang, boy, that is real good.